Alrighty, so let's look at question A, which I kind of shortened a little bit, but it's asking for the volume of the mulch that the contractor is going to need. And it tells you that the contractor wishes to put the mulch in the shape of a rectangular solid. Really lousy drawing on my part, I know, but a rectangular solid, is this like 3D prism rectangular kind of thing. And to find the volume of a rectangular solid, you multiply using the formula. Volume equals length times width times height. So the length of the rectangular solid, the width, and the height. So that is given to us in the problem, okay? Because the length is right there at 30. The width is given to us right there at 22. And the height, or how deep it is right there at 15. So you are going to multiply all three of those numbers together. Okay, so I'm going to stop right here because what I was getting ready to do was make a mistake because I didn't notice at first that two of my units are given to me in feet, so 22 feet, 30 feet, but then the depth is given to me in inches. So we can't just multiply those three numbers together without them being the same units. So I actually need to take those 15 inches and convert them into feet. So because there's 12 inches in a foot, I'm going to take that 15 inches and I'm going to divide by 12. So that means that the depth is actually 1.25 feet. So now I'm going to multiply 30 times 22 times 1.25. So now I've arrived at the final volume of 825. And the units that we are going to use, volume is measured in cubic feet. That was actually given to us in the problem. It said determine the volume in cubic feet. So we write that this way, feet cubed. So my answer for part A is 825 cubic feet. Part B then asks us, how much is it going to cost to fill the pit if the cost of the mulch is $8 per cubic foot? So all you need to do is multiply the 825 that you got from the previous answer, because you do need 825 cubic feet. And you're going to multiply that by $8 to find out what the total cost is going to be. And if you do that, you get $6,600. So the cost of filling up the pit with mulch is a total of $6,600.